Hello people, Joe here. I'm out here in the rain, folks. If you could see how it look here, you could see how it look out here. It's raining. It's been raining like this for the last, I would say, week and a half. I like a week and a half, and there's another big storm coming, and they say it's gonna last for a whole week. But you know what? I'm not going to complain because we need the rain, and after this is gone, you know, I'm not going to see no kind of rain in California for a while, so why complain? You just got to do what you got to do. That's cool. This is where I come and buy bananas and different, I got one more, and stuff like that. See, I got to get me some banana. This is not what we got, and she wanted about. She wanted the semi-ripe one, so let's see. I get. Let's see. She wants something that could ripen in a couple of days, so we'll get this. Let's see. Oh, this looks good. Huh. Well, let's do this one. Okay. Okay, let's do this one. Let me see, we go from there. So we're going to do this one, see? I'll do this one right here. Yeah, sometimes I don't like to buy too much bananas because they don't eat it. But oh, let's try it though. Let's see. Okay, I got this, and then I got avocado. Let's try it. We need some lime. She said she wants a couple of lime, so let's get a couple of lime in here. We got a lemon right here. We got lime. So, and the lime is 99 cents a pound. 99 cents a pound. So we're gonna get a couple of. Let's see, but a pound, that's too much. That's good. So we're good. We're good. Well, you gotta come down here and get a ticket. I got number 18. Okay, I got number 18. I got number 18, and I'm gonna looking for, let's see. Dude, no. I don't see what I want. I don't see that. Let's see. Yeah, bone for soup, but I don't see that here. Let's see. It is. Yeah, I'm just taping stuff on my show. I got a show on YouTube, and when I go about, I just tape what I buy and different stuff. Yeah. That's all. 3 prong of the bone right here. Big bone. This is what I'm getting, folks, for broth. They say it's good for broth, and they want the beef. What you got? That's good, that's good, that's good. If you got more, it's all right. It's good. All right. Okay, folks, yeah, that's what I got. I got some beef broth for. Okay, amigo, thank you. That's good. Thank you. Thank you, man. All righty. Okay, people, I get what I want. I got some beef bone. I got some lemon. And get some banana. So I'm good. Let's go on to see what else I could find in here. Good morning. Okay, folks, we're looking at some maybe fish or something like that. So I'll see what I get there. Yeah. Oh, I'm doing this for my show. I got a show on YouTube.
Oh yeah, that's what I kind of.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
It's not for me to get you guys pretty face.
Oh no, you can.
Okay,
you can
good.
so
So what's your name?
Lisa.
Lisa?
Yes.
So what bring you out in this rain today, Lisa?
Me. Food to cook.
I heard that.
Exactly like you are
Exactly
shopping.
like,
yes.
Yeah, so my wife, she want to make some beef broth for some kind of, cause she do a cooking show.
Oh,
and so
okay,
she want to
that's
get the
nice.
beef broth going and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
So Lisa, nice talking to you,
Well,
Lisa.
nice talking to you too.
And the young lady right here, and this pretty young lady,
She's my mother-in-law.
is your mother-in-law? Oh, she.
Su nombre. Irma. She's gonna do birria.
Say that.
Birria?
Birria?
Mexican birria.
Your mother-in-law, you look so young. How come you look? What the
Se
secret?
mira joven. ¿Cuál es el secreto?
Oh, pues, ¿cuál? Dormir mucho.
That she sleeps a lot.
Alrighty. Thank you guys for talking to me.
Oh,
Nice
no.
meeting you guys.
Nice
Lisa.
meeting you too.
Okay.
Nice meeting you
Can
too.
I use this on my show?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
So
thank you.
what's your YouTube channel called?
My YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Hello people, Joe here.
Hello
people, Joe here. That's it.
Joe. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Well, nice to. We'll be subscribing to you and saying.
Okay, thank you,
hi
Lisa.
there.
Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Take care.
Okay, people. Here is where I come and buy my wife like to share is old beef chunk. I like to buy it all the time. But I got some, so I'll leave it alone and do something else. But that's it, people. That's all I do for right now. And thank you for being out here with me. And you know what? I think I should get me some cucumber. Yeah, let me get. I think we're out of that. Let me get a couple of cucumber right here, folks. Let's see. We got one. Take three for 99 cents. That's not bad. But sometimes they want one for about 80 cents. So do that today. Okay. I got to get me a bag now. Okay. Let's see. I need to get this thing. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Where's the we got here? Let's see. Okay. So far we good. Oh, I thought you were talking to me. I'm from Central America. I'm from Belize.
Where?
Belize.
Oh, you from Central America?
So as you could see, I got some lemon, I got some bananas, I got some cucumber, some beef broth, and some plantain. And we good. Here we go. I'm just doing for my shirt. Whenever time I go to the store, I just take them. Hello, how you doing this morning?
Good, and yourself?
Pretty good. Do you mind if I take what I'm buying?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. What's your name?
Emily?
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 Okay, Emily. So what you doing out there in this rain, sir?
What happened?
What you doing out there in this rain?
Trying to stay warm. That's
Stay
what it
warm,
is.
I gotta work, huh?
This rain.
Okay, so what my damage? 1332.
1323.
All right. Let me find some. Okay, there we go. Okay. No. Okay, let me thank you. Thanks meeting you. Okay, bye-bye. Hello, people. Okay, people, I'm out. See the rain out here? What am I, here, look out here? What am I doing out here? Like I was saying earlier, I'm out here because my wife wants beef broth. So I want to make some beef broth and all that stuff, so I got to come out here and get it. But people, thank you all for being out here with me in this rain and see what I'm doing. And some people might think, oh, you're crazy to be out here in this rain, but it's nice sometimes to be in the rain. It take me back when I used to be a kid. I used to, when it's raining, I used to go and run in the rain and play in the puddle and all that kind of stuff like that, you know. And when you look to see, because we used to live in the country, when you look in the highway when it flooded, you could see fish coming across the road and all that. And you go catch them and fry them. It was fun. It was fun. Living in the country. That's me. I'm an old country boy. Folks, I'm tipping my wife. She always want to know why when we come to the post office, I stay in the car and she got to go and mail the books. I tell her because it's only a little bit of books. You don't need me in there.